Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Gemini AI login issue. To fix the Gemini AI login issue, you could first of all try basic troubleshooting steps like cleaning your browser cache, restarting the app or browser, and checking your internet connections as well. So next, what you could do is if the issue still persists on, you could sometimes a simple refresh is all you need. So you could simply close all of the background running app onto your device, and then you also want to long press onto your side button and restart your device. That might also be able to help. Next, you also want to ensure you have a stable internet connection. So go to settings onto your device, go to network and internet, click on internet, and here you could refresh or maybe reconnect to any other network which seems to be stable. That should be able to help. Likewise, you could also clear your cache and cookies if you're using a browser version. If you're using an app, you could also try long pressing onto the Gemini app. Go to the app info section, and here you want to click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache. This should be able to help. Despite all these, if nothing works out, what you want to do is the last alternative is to simply restart your device, or you could simply uninstall, and then you could go ahead and restart it and re-login, see whether that fixes your login issue or not. So these are some of the ways you could fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.